When it comes to fluke style baits, or say those very narrow soft plastics, it's really important that the rigging is perfectly straight every time, because this is really going to allow that bait to look very natural. It's going to track very straight. But one thing about this drip swimmer or the drip minnow is it has a slightly hollow core through the middle of it, so it makes it really easy to get your hook point to go right down the middle of this, and very user friendly for getting it perfect every time. A lot of times I'll set my jig right along the side to see where that hook point needs to come out. But with this drip swimmer, all I simply need to do is go through the very point of this bait, and there's that narrow channel. As long as I keep my hook point inside of that, there's a seam on the top of the bait where I know exactly where the middle is, and I come back out and basically push it right up to the top of the jig here, and it's gonna be perfect almost every time because of that. I simply look right down the side here. I have that bait perfectly straight up and down, which is gonna allow me to have that bait track perfectly straight. So this drip swimmer is very user friendly for rigging.